Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It's Cocktail Time with Jamie. And it is Thursday evening, so we are back open. We close Tuesday and Wednesday. We are back open. Court, can you turn the music down just a little bit? Thank you. And we are getting ready for a snowstorm here in New York. So if you are watching from a sunny place, let me know where you're watching from. Hello, Terry. Thank you for watching. I see some people joining right now, so hello. I'll be making an Espresso Martini today, and I'm going to try something cool, so stay till the end. I've never done this before, but I'm going to try it. Today is Thursday, snowstorm coming tomorrow, so hope everybody stays safe. I know it's supposed to start around midnight, 10, 11 tonight, so stay safe. I know a lot of businesses that are already closed tomorrow, that have already closed, so stay safe out there. We will be open here at Aroma Thyme. Because Marcus and I are so close, we don't typically close. He'll work the kitchen, I can work the dining room, and we'll have our staff stay home and be safe. And if you are out there, just be safe driving, and we'd love to have you. This week's to-go special, our takeout special, is our tuna. It's a buy one, get one free, so it is back. I know we've been doing a couple of Facebook Lives this week, just telling you what our special was this week. That will be available until Monday to go. Our regular menu is available as well. We're open all weekend. We have a wine dinner on Monday night, so hopefully you can join us for our wine dinner. We'll also be announcing next week a really cool wine dinner or wine event that we'll be doing on a Monday in March, so stay tuned for that. We still have some seats left for our Mexico trip in April, so if you are interested in coming, there are some discounts, some big discounts, so give us a call, 845-647-3000. You can also use that number to place your orders to go. And let's see, so I'm going to get started on my drink of the day, so Espresso Martini. So I am going to start, I got these really cool new ice molds that makes round ice, so you can ask for a big ice cube if you would like. They're kind of cool. So I'm going to start with, I'm making espresso martini with coffee rum, chocolate liqueur, and cowboy coffee, which is up near Lake George area. Marcus, can you grab my espresso for me?
Sure.
And so I'm going to start with about an ounce of coffee rum. I'm going to add about an ounce of coffee liqueur. So you can see me pouring here. And about an ounce of chocolate liqueur. I'm going to add a espresso that I made. So pour that right in there. And what am I missing? I'm going to add a drop of agave because I don't find our coffee liqueur very sweet, so I'm going to add a drop of agave. I am now going to put in, look at these round ice cubes, aren't those cool? I should be using, we need to get like little tongs for this, so little ice cubes, look how cool those are. And I'm going to take that on up. Get it nice and frothy. Get it real good. I have a hard time getting this off. Let me get it off. I got it. There we go. All right. I'm going to take my strainer, pour it into my glass. And you know what? It didn't quite work. It's supposed to have like a nice foam on top of it. So Marcus, can you get me a little bit, let's get a little bit of almond milk or milk. Shake that up a little bit. Just a little bit of milk. You can use almond milk. I'm going to froth that up just a little bit. Pour that on top. That'll work. That. Yum yum. Now put a little bit of sugar right on top. And then I am going to melt the sugar a little bit. That looks good. Alright. Put a couple of coffee beans on top. How did that look? 1, 2, 3 for good luck. And there you have it. Your Espresso Martini. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Ralph, hello Dawn, hi Heather, Matthew, Jennifer, Catherine, Kathy, Terry. Thanks everybody for watching me. Cheers, hope you're having a great day. I'm gonna taste my martini now. Yum, that is delicious. Let's see, so again, our special this week until Monday is our tuna. It's a buy one get one free to go, and hopefully you'll be joining us this weekend. Call and make reservations, and we hope to see everybody soon. Cheers and have a great night. Stay safe tomorrow.